Excuse me, we reckon we should warn you. If you stay much longer, you'll find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on about the history of Hogwarts.
Which, it should be pointed out, is rather fascinating. One book I highly recommend, which is an absolutely riveting read, is Bathilda Bagshaw's Hogwarts.
Perhaps another time, am I? The point is, Professor Binns is very, very boring.
No, but it's
He's dead.
Yeah.
What one means to say is he's a ghost.
Yeah, well, dead, aren't they? Ghosts? Sort of a requirement. They're muggles, are you, not morons.
Flipping morons. My parents happen to be muggles, if you recall.
Anyway, we thought you might prefer to come with us and see a game of Quidditch.
But to get you there, we have to sneak you out the castle, which is where Hermione comes in.
All you have to do is meet me in the room of requirement. From there, we'll fly down to the Quidditch pitch. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. A spell I learned from a world-class Quidditch player.
Hermione knows all these spells, you see.
Well, we're making it snow again.
Why does that always happen? Hermione, keep it.
Mysterio, Jinx, and Canto.